Hi, this is my honest review on the Sephiroth amiibo from Final Fantasy VII. It's one of my favorite amiibos. It's very, very detailed. Has the black one wing from the One Winged Angel theme song, and it's part of Sephiroth's look. Um, Looks like it's from the Advent Children movie. For me, that's what it looks like. But yeah, definitely really well detailed. You can see the boots, the jacket, his Masamune sword going all the way up like that. And then this is the back with his hair flowing and the sword kind of going through it. That's kind of how it goes. I don't know if, I guess you can move it a little bit if you don't want it there, but I just have it there. Yeah, I believe it goes there. So I wouldn't mess with it too much. This is the little stand that's there. This is the bottom of the amiibo. And yeah, it's extremely well detailed. His face, his outfit, and it looks really, really well done. So definitely pick this one up if you're a fan of Final Fantasy VII, of Sephiroth, and that game and series of games. So yeah, definitely will enjoy this one. Thank you.